What are you doing? Did you spill your milk? Lennon. Lennon, did you spill your milk? Silly boy. Can I clean it up? Please? You're silly. You're gonna get your shirt all wet. No, no! What are you cramming on the table for? Oops. Careful. Oh, you're gonna come over this way. You're silly. Uh-oh. Did you get your hand in it now? Yeah. You eating breakfast, huh? Hey, wipe it up. Good boy. Oh, such a good cleaner. Wipe it some more. Oops, there goes the spoon. Oops, you got some milk on your chin. You got milk on your chin. Okay, thank you. Hey, can you do me a favor? Can you do me a favor? Lennon, say hi, Dad. Say hi, Dad. Lennon, Lennon, can you wave? Hi, Dad. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Rawr. You can do your roar. Oh, yeah, it's kind of shiny outside, isn't it? Sunny. Ooh, too bright. Oh, you hear that noise? What are you eating my cereal for? Hey, can you blow a kiss to Dad? Like this, blow a kiss. Mwah. No. Ew, no. Blow a kiss. Blow a kiss. I'm gonna say bye-bye. Bye. Bye. Oh, you get stuff to save it. Give Daddy a kiss on the phone. Okay, thank you.